So I've been talking to you about drip irrigation systems, but I have to point out something that's really important to our farm as it's evolving. What you can see here, this bed right here on the left is planted with the 6-row seeder. So there are 6 rows twice, so there's actually 12 rows of salad mix here, and when it grows up, this row on the left is going to look like this row here on the right, and you can just see how incredibly diverse and beautiful that salad mix is. You see that? And you'll also notice just how dense that is. That bed is beautifully dense, really good weed control, really great coverage of the surface. But you'll notice there's a problem here, because when you get to this kind of density of seeding, you got, so many seeds going in the ground. On a hot, dry day, one line of drip tape isn't going to provide enough coverage along the top to actually make those crops grow. So we need to find a different solution. And the solution we've come up with, you can see in the row here, is called can you see my finger? Oh, there it is. It's called MicroSprinkler. So there's a MicroSprinkler right there in the row, and what that does is spin around and produce a very small stream of water, and it'll irrigate 3 beds across, and it's just a magnificent example of really good systems management. So as we start to move into the future, we are actually going to start doing this kind of irrigation, but linking that with our crop rotation plan so that we're moving through the irrigation system with drip in one section and micro sprinklers in the other. Have really good weed management. In this system, the Cedar Grove compost is working kind of like a mulch, keeping the weeds down, and allowing the plants, the seeds that we put in the ground, to be the ones that germinate. And that's allowing us to plant at an incredibly high density and to get really terrific yields. These are carrots on the right and arugula with a 6-row cedar on the left. But what you can see is that even